Hello everyone, welcome to the start of yet another amazing month. When the date says first on your calendars, you know you have to look out for a brand new episode of What's Hot on Amazon. Just like all our previous episodes, इसमें भी हम आपको कुछ ऐसे products और categories के बारे में बताएंगे which can give you the opportunity to grow your business as a seller on the Amazon India marketplace. To start with, people around the world are becoming more and more tech savvy each day, which is why a lot of different electronic products have now become an important part of every household. और इसीलिए आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स की which can help you potentially increase your sales and business on Amazon. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the most common electronic items that are found in most homes. These include extension cords, FM transmitters, international power adapters, power inverters as well as surge protectors. जैसा कि आपको देखकर पता चल ही गया होगा, all these items are needed in almost every home today, which is why selling them can be a potential growth opportunity for your business. Moving on, since the majority of people around the country are working from home these days, ये तो जाहिर सी बात है कि computer related accessories and equipment की ज़रूरत हर किसी को पड़ती है। इसकी वजह से computer accessories such as USB cables, wireless USB adapters, sound cards, virtual reality headsets, pen drives, HDMI cables and power banks are also some of the products that can potentially see an increase in their demand among Amazon consumers. So apart from home electronics, keeping a stock of such computer-related accessories might also be worth considering. But while you do that, make sure that you are also stocking up on some complementary products such as laptop sleeves, bags, remote controls, dust covers, power supplies, wall chargers, mounts and stands, stylus pens, as well as other cases in order to attract more and more customers to your Amazon storefront. इसके बाद बारी आती है audio systems की, because well, we all love some music in our lives, right? इसीलिए products like MP3, MP4 players, over-ear headphones, RCA and other speaker cables along with car stereos are also some of the products that may see an increase in demand across the Amazon shoppers. साथ ही, with people becoming increasingly health conscious lately, there are some wearable tech products such as arm and wristbands along with accessories which may also help you connect with more shoppers on Amazon. Now, let's talk about some specific products that even though are limited to a niche category of shoppers, still have the potential to generate profit on Amazon. These include products for camera enthusiasts such as camera mounts and clamps, cases, lens covers along with tripods. Friends, with this we come to the end of another episode of What's Hot on Amazon that hopefully can give you some new ideas to expand your business on Amazon Marketplace. We hope that you enjoyed the video and found some interesting things that you can start selling on our platform. For more information related to top selling products, make sure to follow us on our social media handles and get regular updates about our upcoming topics of discussions. We wish you a happy selling experience and hope to see you soon.